Hello all, I'm Dr. Chalamaya. Today I'm going to introduce one of my clients who lost 16 kgs of weight after 3 months of RAKO health diet program. In addition to the weight loss, he reversed his chronic conditions like sleep apnea, acidity, high blood pressure, and pre-diabetes. Hi everyone, my name is Narasimharaju. I'm from Hyderabad. Earlier I was suffering from overweight and other health issues like pre-diabetic, BP, sleep apnea, and in acidity. After joining RAKO Health, I've lost 16 kgs. Now my weight is 75 kgs. I lost 16 kgs without going to gym, walking, or exercise. With by taking homemade food and all my other health issues like pre-diabetic, BP, sleep apnea, and acidity are gone. Uh, I I thank Dr. Chinmaya for transforming my health. I highly recommend RAKO Health for weight loss and other health issues. Thank you.